Tesla on the 240. We got room back down in the 717 area. You know, we based on that 720. We got the PCH. I don't see anything really other than the 725 wall on Tesla. But look at all this. So, I mean, the upside is potential is huge here, just based on the option chain. I would expect some pretty good upside. But anything over 720, anything over 725, look at all that. I mean, shit, I would be looking to capture all of that. So here's how I see this option chain right now. I'd be looking for a close under 720. Absolute close under 720. Right around 720 would be ideal. I don't know if we're going to get a pullback or not, but if we get a pullback, 720.90, I like it long. If we can't get the pullback, I got some. Let's go ripping faces off here. Damn, I got filled at 435 on those 25s. I want to sell some at a 28 though. If I get a nice pop up there again, come on, get up there again. I mean, there's really not a size. See, there's really not a lot of size up there. You see that now? There's just not a lot of size up there. There's no one really trying to stuff this yet. At least not yet. Here we go, 726. There it is. Chew right through that sucker. Oh yeah, but look at 729. All right, we got someone trying to hold that 729. So this is what I was talking about. It's going to be in $5 chunks. Every $5 on the 720, 725. That this is like an option squeeze here. And if we can get through 725, we're going to start seeing it. We're going to start seeing some buying. If we get through 730, we could get a nice explosive move. I took some profits there. It was a good green trade there. Let's see if we can get a reversal on the 5-minute here on Tesla. Dump right back into the 720. That's a nice setup. I might get some more of that. Let's see what this 5-minute closes. And then I'll be trying to take profits up into this 725. Just got the trigger. I'm going to take some profits into this here real quick, though. I just got about $1 out of those. I'm going to pay myself. So one more push here. If we can get up to the top end of this 24, I'm going to take some off. There we go. I just took some profits there. Well, I'm in a good spot here. I got a nice entry. I've taken profits. I've got half size on here. I'm just going to hang out for a bit. And if it stops me out half size, I'm going to stop out flat on this. And there we go. There we go. Get up there, Tesla. 26, 20. I'm going to sell into this 29. I'm taking some profits into 29.